Hi, I'm Dana, and this is Statin Talk, where we expose the truth Big Pharma doesn't want you to hear. If your doctor's pushing statins like Halloween candy, you need to watch this video first. Let's get one thing straight. Statins are one of the most prescribed drugs on earth. The moment your cholesterol ticks a few points higher, the prescription pad comes out. High cholesterol, statin, slight LDL bump, statin. You thought about bacon this week? Better take a statin. But let's ask a serious question. Who actually benefits from these drugs? There are cases where statins may help. Someone who already had a heart attack or stroke, someone with a genetic condition where their LDL cholesterol is through the roof, or someone with diabetes and evidence of arterial plaque. In those situations, the risks might be worth the rewards. But here's the real issue. Statins are handed out to people who don't need them. If you're healthy, over 70, have mild cholesterol issues, and no history of heart disease, why are you being told you need lifelong medication? The truth is, statins don't fix the root causes of heart disease. They don't address your diet, your inflammation, your stress levels, or your sedentary lifestyle. They just tweak numbers on a lab test, and sometimes they cause more problems than they solve. And let's not ignore the money trail. The original cholesterol guidelines, many were written by people funded by the very companies selling these pills. This isn't about health, it's about profit. Big Pharma's built a $30 billion empire off statins. Once you're on them, you're usually on them for life, not because it's the best choice, but because it's the most profitable one. So, before you start popping pills, ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I just another name in a sales report? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more truth bombs they don't want you to hear. This is Statin Talk, and we're just getting started.